Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Gizmo Guru. Today I have something super important to share with you all. Have you ever lost your phone or had it stolen? I know, it's a nightmare. But fear not, because I've got an amazing solution for you. In this video, we're diving into the CEIR website, your ultimate superhero in the world of lost phones. So, what in the world is CEIR, you might ask? Well, my friends, CEIR stands for Central Equipment Identity Register. It's like a top-secret command center. But instead of spies, it's all about protecting your precious phones. This government-run website lets you block, track, and even recover your lost or stolen phones. How cool is that? All right, let's dive right into the action. To use CEIR, you'll need your phone's IMEI number. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. You can find your phone's IMEI number on the box it came in, or by simply dialing *#06# on your phone's keypad. Easy peasy, right? Now let's talk about blocking your phone. Picture this. You've lost your phone, or it's been snatched by a sneaky thief. No worries. Jump onto the CEIR website, click on the Block Phone tab, enter your IMEI number, and hit that Block Phone button. Boom! Your phone is now blocked on all networks across India. No one can mess with your personal data anymore. By the by, you need to register a complaint about your phone getting stolen, and you should take your FIR copy and upload it. And valid proof that you are the owner of the phone, like phone invoice or anything that you have. But what if you want to track your lost or stolen phone? CEIR's got your back, my friends. To track your device, head to the website, click on the Track Phone tab, enter your IMEI number, and don't forget to provide your mobile number. Hit that Track Phone button and hold your breath. CEIR will reveal the last known location of your phone. Get ready to play detective. Now let's talk about the ultimate win. Recovering your beloved phone. CEIR makes it possible. If you're lucky enough to get your phone back, it's time to unblock it. Head to the website, click on the Unblock Phone tab, enter your IMEI number, and show off your proof of ownership, like a receipt or bill. Once you've done that, click that Unblock Phone button, and voila! Your phone is free again, and you can go back to snapping selfies and texting your pals. And there you have it, my tech-savvy friends. The CEIR website, your guardian angel in the world of lost phones. It's a real game changer, right? I hope this video has been a lifesaver for you. If you have any questions or epic stories about recovering your lost phone, drop a comment below. And remember, stay connected, stay protected. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Stay connected for more exciting content coming your way. Until next time.